Welcome, sir.
Woohoo! And then let's just remove our shoes. Oh.
Happy anniversary!
Oh, thank you. Oh, look at this setup.
Expect my caller message. One of maybe the butler will sign for you, Jay.
Look for Grayson. He's
Hello
the best.
po! Welcome sa farm!
Thank you. So, woo! What did you do with the setup? Let's tour them first. This is Narra Pool Villa. The outside, you have the view of this pool. Complimentary water. They have the mini bar here to see. Oh! You open this, there you have the access to the pool. And then there's the main entrance kung saan tayo pumasok kanina. He and she can do their separate business at the same time. And here's the shower. What's happening? Your weight. Let's check your weight. 14.5 kilos.
I'm heavy.
Not-
I saw a dentist there.
Let's go check it out. Here, this side, this side. Yeah, super excited niya. There. Come, let's go outside and check that out. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary! Dito na naman siya sa paborito niyong lugar. Tomorrow, we can go fishing. In the afternoon, we can feed the ducks.
Do you guys wanna swim? Relax
Or-
first.
Relax.
Relax. Coming from the
I'll sing it.
3-year-old. We
sing
need
it
to
first.
relax. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wow! Scorpion dance! Wow! Mga tinuturo ni Mami Pat.
What is that, Dad?
Medyo heirloom yung dating. So kay Mama pa to galing. Pina-reset lang na Tatkumon. Happy
Wow.
anniversary!
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much, Nana and Lola M. Also, thank you, Momsi and Amang, for a salad and pizza yesterday with pa-cake pa.
Bagay na bagay.
So much. Swimming time!
Hi!
You want to swim?
I do.
Go! Mama, you're not in the water. Go! I like the octopus.
Yay!
Nice.
Ah. Lifesaver, lifesaver.
Wow.
Wow! The market to buy a hot dog. Maging maduin ang tingin ng bata.
Go to Dada.
We're done swimming. We're on our way to Pesque Seafood Restaurant for dinner. So excited kasi we can all go there to the restaurant. Hi!
Umaambon na po.
May ambon eh, no? Little boy, are you okay there? Okay. It's raining hard now. Yeah, meron ako dala. Cannot see you. There you are. Dad will be the one to carry that for you, huh?
Mama, I know how to carry this.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Si Ryan, babe. Share the umbrella with us.
The plants are happy.
Yeah, the plants are happy. They're being watered.
Ano yan, babe? Mga...
Mukhang lily.
You're right.
Here, right, Pops? Dali nga. Hello. Hindi.
Quack, quack. Are you watching the dog?
Yeah. To my left side is a vegan restaurant, and that's where you can take your breakfast. Just down that path is the Pesque. They have two restaurants here. One is the Pesque, which is the seafood restaurant. Dinner service at Pesque starts at 6:30 p.m. You also need to make a reservation before you can dine in. The other one is the Alive, the vegan one. They're growing their own fresh produce here. They have kangkong, they have alugbati, tarragon. I think the herbs are on this side. Good afternoon.
Eucalyptus.
Parang mint.
Mint.
This one they use for salads.
Okay ka dyan, te? Ang ganda ng baby ko.
They're doing some renovations here. We'll take you inside. They have a very nice pool here. Hi! Good! There they are. No! We received another great blessing. Our auntie, sabi ni Lola M.
Mga kakainin din yung gift niya, sagot niya.
Sabi, thank you to Lola M.
Thank you, Lolen.
What would you like to eat tonight?
Spaghetti.
You're having a good time.
Yeah. Hello. It looks like a girl's face.
Which one? Looks like a girl with a bangs. Hair here. Like you before, you had bangs, diba? Look at that, we have live band tonight. Yes, boss? Yes, boss? Yes.
Piece of bread.
Yes.
Is that yours?
No, this one is mine. Clam chowder, vegetable minestrone. This is my Caesar salad.
Spaghetti, gamberetti. In order namin ito dati, sarapan kami dito.
Yum.
Yummy, right? Violin.
Surprise po.
Yes, Dada pa. That is our theme song.
Pablo, that's the surprise. Oh. Wala na, busy na to. Busy.
Busy siya. Ganda ng lighting dito ah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow.
Thank you very much, the farm. And there's Pam. Thank you, Pam. Happy anniversary po. Thoughtful. Happy anniversary.
Happy
babe.
anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Why did
Now all your saliva in the cheesecake. Tita Hasmin. Happy anniversary to you. This is such a great thing to cap off our anniversary.
Mhm.
Thank you, Lord. Mga kuliglig. The sound of nature. Home sweet home for the night. After that, it's wash up
this
time.
one?
Yes. Okay, go with that, please. Your shoes off. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. What did you get?
Two rolls. And this one, Trita family.
Yay! Oh, can you see the Trita family, Pabs? Different one. It's a green one now. Wilderness adventure. Yay! We have something to read tonight. Woohoo! Hello there. Are you ready for our no, for our story time?
We have here Alfie, Tulip, Mom,
What's the name of the mom? Cannot.
Patricia,
Patricia.
I-
No. I always have to have these.
Coca-Cola,
Penelope.
Penelope,
This is free from McDonald's.
Professor Pablo.
That's right.
Mama, it says We need to find a lizard. Good night.
Good night.
We need to rest now. But we need to spot 4 lizards.
Right, say good night, everyone.
Good night. We're gonna sleep.
Good night. See you again tomorrow.
Do, 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 do.
So nice, guys. Water is so warm out there.
Night swimming. Tagal ko na hindi nagawa to. Sarap, heated kasi yung pool. Kaya umuusok-usok pa. Okay naman yung pool dito. Medyo may lang pero okay siya. Marami na pang family.
Dada Pao is nangunguha pa ng dinosaur si Dada Pao sa kamay mas. And their little boy is already fast asleep. Here's Dada Pao having his night swimming.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.
For more Sevilla trips.
Yeah.